Good. Good. Face down. Anything specific you want me to focus on?
Just, just the back and the neck always.
Back of the neck, not like the big toe, not the thumbs.
My ankles are sore.
All right. Here we go. Good. Good. Go ahead and lay on your back, head right here. Are you ready for this one? Got a little music in the background. This one's gonna be nice. Let's make it big. Okay. Ready? Good. Ready? Good. Make it taller. Perfect. On your side facing this way, we can get that low back. Life good though? Mm-hmm. Sweet. You think I did my hair good today?
Oh yeah, always.
Yes.
I'm jealous.
Yes.
I can never grow long hair.
He said when I came in, he was like, I wish you would have told me. I would have done my hair. There's no hair. Oh, good. Perfect. That was great. That was awesome though that you said that. I was like, dang it. We're gonna wear boots?
Oh yeah.
I hear they're made. I was gonna make the Shania Twain joke? Boots were made for walking? I don't know. I thought you'd say yes and then I could get it in there, but did you hear that clunk? Ah, this one was clunk. There you go. That's it, my friend. You're golden.